Cuts very good. I'm gonna finish fading and then I'll show you the final results. Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this Blade Warrior Professional Clipper set. So this is gonna be an unboxing and I'll show you how to use it. You can see the clippers right here. Regular clippers and then a T-clipper. Have a good weight to it. Feels nice in the hand. Brings the comb. And it brings oil and clipper combs for the T-shaver. So if you want to use it shaving your body hairs, you use that. Bring the manual. Here's a charging base for either clippers. So you just all you do is attach it like so, and it will charge it. Or you want to use it for this one too. Okay. So they charge it. It's one at a time. So it comes with 6 combs from 1 to 6, and then even has the A and the B combs also. So the A is like the half, and the B is 1.5. So it goes like so. So this is a great set to use for fading and for regular haircuts. I like how these clippers have a space to put your fingers when you're trying to fade. So it gives you more control when you're holding it. That there's 4 different speeds on the clippers, and it shows you how long that the battery life is. And I like how it has the different levels to fade. The blades are very sharp, and you can see how close it is to the front. And there's a USB-C charger, or if you want to charge it with the base. These are very good clippers. The blade is sharp that you can make a nice line in the back to clean. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description, and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great ANGFAN Professional Clipper set. I like how it comes with the regular clippers and the T-clippers. I also like how it feels good in the hand, and I like how it has the turbo button, and once you turn it on, it displays the speed and then the minutes of how many minutes it has left for the charge. If you want to change the speed, you press the turbo. I also like how it comes with the 8 combs for the clipper and the other combs and oil for the T trimmer. And the battery life on these lasts a long time. So this is a great buy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe.